Hi friends, I am Indradit Rai. You are watching my channel Indradit Rai Live in Photo Life. Here I will share with you my experience of photography, and the discussion will be quite interesting. So please don't go away. Please listen to the video till end. And if you are new to my channel and if you are not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and kindly press the bell icon so that you receive the notification of my videos at earliest. Therefore, without wasting time, let's get started. Let us discuss the photography of multiple colors. If you find there are multiple colors are there, and in some of the cases these colors are complementary to each other, definitely capture those images. These images are of extreme high quality. So let us have a look at a few examples of this category. Now let us discuss the photography of sculptures. Sculptures are actually human creations. If you find there are some notes written or some histories are written along with sculptures, definitely capture those images and always try to capture the minor details of it. So let us have a look at a few examples of this category. Panoramic view means images that are having elongated fields of view. Images look good if captured from certain heights or certain elevated levels. Please have a look at a few examples of this category. Exposure means three things. One is ISO, second thing is aperture, third one is shutter speed. This part of discussion is basically helpful for those guys who have recently purchased DSLR camera and they don't have much more knowledge of manual modes of photography. As far as ISO is concerned, please keep ISO at 100 in a normal daylight condition. This part of discussion is basically in normal daylight condition when plenty of lights are available. So please keep ISO at 100. Please don't increase ISO value. If you increase the ISO value, it will entertain much more noise in your images. As far as shutter speed is concerned, please keep shutter speed either at 1/60 level or 1/125 level. If lights are less, please keep the shutter speed at 1/60 level. If lights are more, please keep the shutter speed at 1/125 level. And as far as aperture is concerned, at 8 AM in the morning, please keep aperture at 8. At 11 AM or 12 PM, please keep aperture at either 11 or 16. At 2 PM, please keep the aperture at 16. At 5 PM, please keep the aperture at 5.6. So this is a general guideline, a thumb rule of capturing the images in a normal daylight condition. So take plenty of pictures. Next important point is that think many times before capturing one image. Think how better way you can compose, how best stories you can tell to the viewer. Please do not capture any image just after seeing it. There is a good way of learning photography is that each and every day in newspapers and in magazines there are a lot of photographs are printed. So make a habit of watching those photographs on daily basis and you will find that the professionals are capturing images. They are always putting nice stories, nice motions, nice acts, etc. in their images. They are not capturing the only background. So start learning from those photographs. That is all about today's discussion of photography. We will definitely meet with some other topic. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the notification of my videos at earliest. Kindly share and comment as well. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Bye.